beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a very easy peasy lemon squeezy makeup look, and I really wanted to play with only eyeshadow in this makeup look. I just never wanted to go for any kajal, any eyeliner or anything. This look is just created by the eyeshadow only. There is just three eyeshadow, and I have done this glamorous, very beautiful makeup look for you guys. I actually wanted to create a makeup look around this outfit. You can see how beautiful this outfit is, and I actually wanted to share this look with you all because, you know, like, I love pastel colors, and this English blue is so beautiful. I absolutely love, like, I don't know how many times I'm going to say I absolutely love, but yeah, I'm in love with the color, I'm in love with this look, and I hope you guys will also enjoy this makeup tutorial. And if you do, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Check out the link to my Instagram, it's just flashing on the screen, so please do support me, do subscribe to my channel, and even for all the behind the scenes, all the amazing reels, do follow me on Instagram. It will make the world for me, and it's not going to cost you anything. And yeah, I think without wasting much more time, let's get into this tutorial. Firstly, I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm taking this aloe vera gel by Earth Rhythm, and it is such a cooling and hydrating aloe vera gel. I am applying this all over my face and then moving on to my primer. And for the primer, I have taken the PAC Cosmetics Oil Control Primer, which has gold flecks in it, and I am even going to blend this very well into my skin so that it can provide me a nice canvas to work with. And for my foundation, I have taken the Maybelline Super Stay 30 hours long wear foundation, and I'm even going to blend this with a damp beauty sponge. It should be damp, not wet, so make sure you're squeezing out all the water. Next, for concealing and highlighting, I have taken the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium, and this is my exact match. It doesn't makes me look grayish because it has the exact amount of warm tone which suits perfectly to my skin and blends it very beautifully. So I have applied this on the highest points of my face, even underneath my eyes, so that I can cancel out any dark circles and any dark spots. I don't have much, but if you have, you can go for color correction. And for foundation, let me tell you, I have used 128. For the contouring, I'm taking the Strobe and Sharp contour stick by Blue Heaven. I absolutely love how blendable this is, and it has the perfect contour shade. So I'm just applying this on the perimeters of my face and even underneath my lips, so it can make my lips look a little fuller. This is a hack you can try if you have thin lips like me. Anyways, I love my lips, but this makes me look really nice and pouty. So that's what I am doing. And now I am blending this again with the same beauty sponge and making sure it is nicely, seamlessly blended into my skin. And nowadays I am actually obsessed with this product, so that I have been using this a lot. But if you want, you can even go for a powder contour. Now next, for my blusher, I have taken the Tipsy Beauty Cushion Tip Blusher, and I am applying this. I've seen the applicator had some issues, like, I don't know, it did take off a little bit of foundation from my face, but I'm going to fix that with highlighter. So now next I'm going to move on to powder, and I'm just dusting this on the areas I feel I can get a little oily. So it is underneath my eyes, so that I can prevent creasing, and even on my T-zone area, so that there is no shine and no oil peeking through my makeup. Now, even to set my blush on its place, I'm going for a powder blush on liquid blusher. For some reason, that applicator did take away a little bit of my foundation, which was looking a little patchy, so I did go for the blusher, the powder blusher, so that it can, you know, like, stay put. And next, for the highlighter, I have taken the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Absolutely love this, and you can see this actually did cover up the blusher area where it was looking a little patchy. Even I did apply a lot of highlighter there because I really wanted to cover up that patchy area, and you can see it has almost covered. And now I'm going to place the same highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on the tip, on the cupid's bow, even on the chin and even on my forehead to complete the whole look. A little bit even on the eyebrow bone underneath the brows, so that it can look all put together, and this gives a very nice glow when sun hits your face or any kind of light. Next, I filled in my brows off the camera. I have used the PAC eyebrow definer, and now I'm going for my favorite part, the eyeshadow. I have taken this very warm beige shade and I applied this on my crease area. I did blend this out really well so that my eye makeup is looking nice and seamless. I did go on the back and forward motion on the crease, and even I did apply the same eyeshadow on the lids area so that it is looking nice. And next I have picked up this very thin eyeliner brush and dipped into this greenish color which has a little undertone of blue, and started applying it very closely as a liner. You can see I have even gone for a wing, so I did use this instead of a liner. You can do this with any of your eyeshadow, with any of your colored eyeshadow. Next I did pick up this white shimmery shade which has the undertone of silver, so I did apply this on the lids area and blended that really well, so it was looking nice and seamless. It was just a wash off color, and then I did go with an empty brush and even soften the edges out, and went ahead again with the same liner eyeshadow and did apply that again for the good intensity. Even I did draw a inner corners wing, so that's what I did, like the cat eye. And now to complete the lower lash line, I went ahead with this brown shade to smoke out the lower lash line. As I said, I have not used any kajal or any eyeliner on this look, so that is it. And after smoking it out, now I am going for a generous amount of coat of the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So my eyelashes were very beautifully coated and it looked really pretty. Now for my lipstick, I have taken the My Glam lipstick. This is in the shade Swinger and it's a matte lip shade, and I was really happy that I did go for this shade because it looked really good on my outfit, and even it did look very beautiful with my eyeshadow. So this was the complete whole makeup look. So guys, that is it for this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed the makeup tutorial and I hope you liked it. If you do, please comment down below and do let me know if you have enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And yeah, if you recreate this, do tag me on Instagram. All the makeup details will be there in the description box, so do check it out. That is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm getting so sweaty, like there is my fan off and all the other things are like my window and my doors are closed. So I'm getting sweaty, but don't worry, this makeup is not going to budge at all, because if you follow the process, you know how you can like do a sweat proof, waterproof makeup. So yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.